this makes me so bullish on Nostr. Because in this world where anyone can literally speak into existence anything at the snap of a finger, what matters is where all of the identity and data goes to and accrues. And so I'm sure Google and Apple and Facebook and whatever will have their logins and your identity there. And that's fine. And that'll probably do really well. But if you want an open alternative to that world, like, I mean, Nostr was literally made for this. So I don't know how to integrate Nostr more into the Flink community, but to me, like, this is like all of the people that have been like, hey, Nostr could one day be for all the micro apps. And then yet we still only really have like, you know, Twitter clones. And we do have hundreds of like little app ideas, but it's all hackers that like never polish their stuff. But now, I mean, I don't know if you've had this, DK, and would you consider adding just log in with Nostr?
Yeah, I mean, so right now there's not a lot of data persistence and there's not a lot of collaboration or sharing. So right now I do all of the data persistence in just like a local storage just in your browser, which is not like a perfectly ideal thing, but it really works for me and I really built it for me. But if other people wanted to use it, Nostr would be the natural place to push that. Right now I haven't, well, I don't know, it's sort of a divergence from Flint, but I'm work, I've worked on another app in the past week, which is a Bitcoin app and uses Nostr in exactly the way you're talking about, and it sort of doesn't really work without Nostr. So I can tell you a bit more about that, or I thought maybe we'll actually talk more about it next week or something. But
Yeah, I'd love
um,
to hear, but I want to be clear. Like, I mean, that's awesome. And I know there'll be certain apps that lend themselves more to Bitcoin and Nostr, whatever. But my point is just like, if you said this is Strava for piano, right? Like,
yeah,
forget any special Bitcoin functionality ever
right,
of
right,
like, okay, I just want to log into this app and see what my friends are playing. That's it. Like
yep,
super, super simple. And it's like I could do that with Google if I had that social graph or Apple or Facebook or whatever. But for a variety of reasons, you know, let's say I want an open social graph, it would be so cool if I could just log in with Nostr. You and I are already friends on Nostr. It surfaces you and just says, hey, here's what DK is playing. Hey, did you know Steve tried to playing something? I was like, I didn't know Steve played the piano.
yep, yep. And
Yeah.
I think if you had that kind of, I agree, it's a good reason to be bullish on Nostr. I think if you had such a thing, and you had the list of who performed the 251 progression fastest or fastest average time, I think you would end up seeing people speed run just like you do in video games. You see
Of
people speed
course.
run to try to be the best, and the world would get better at playing piano
At everything.
because
And
because
like,
there's like a fun competition that helps. Yeah,
I just want to make this point super, super clear because I think it's worth really stressing. There are like lots of weird, cool new ways to use Nostr and Bitcoin that we haven't thought of yet. And those apps are going to be amazing. We're going to keep watching them happen over the next year. But like for any skill acquisition, exactly what you're saying, the basics of a leaderboard and social graph, which can also be upvoted on that leaderboard based on who zaps you, like that idea alone, just social graph, show me a leaderboard and show me specifically a leaderboard of my friends ranked by zaps, maybe with some web of trust in the ranking, like for any skill acquisition or
yeah,
really anything. Like
yeah,
that alone is transformative.
Yeah, a couple
yeah,
things. One, I think the best way to see the Nostr stuff happen is just for people to build it. Like
Yeah,
yeah,
in this community, it won't be. It's not a requirement you have to use Nostr, but
I'm gonna use Nostr if I
someone's
ever get
gonna
there.
lead the charge. I mean, BitChat already demonstrates.
I swear.
BitChat already demonstrates Nostr, so we already have like a great example. But others will be created, and it'll influence other community members. I mean, hopefully there'll be a lot of non-Bitcoiner builders in
Yes.
this community. Most, I would assume, have never heard of Nostr or don't understand it or don't believe in it or think it's a toy or whatever. But they'll then see other applications that are built that are really compelling. And then how did you do that? Oh, Nostr. It's the
Yeah.
only way. And that's going to incept them to
And,
Nostr.
and I would even love to see some experimentation. Like again, I hope one day I get to that level, but I would love to see an app from someone like a DK or a Matt that's like already knows how to do this polish, or maybe Nick or someone from the team, like just to get people's mind going around that. And then some kind of like, you know, explain it like I'm five document or like, and I think it's worth even considering a rebrand, not even a rebrand. I don't know how to say this exactly, but like, what if you don't even call it Nostr? You're just like, hey, want open identity? We
yeah. I mean,
recommend use these docs. Point your Replit agent to these docs. Oh,
yeah,
what's Nostr? That's the protocol underneath it. It's just open identity.
I think with all of these, with Bitcoin, with Nostr, with all of these tools that help preserve freedom and create more freedom, I think like the reason of choosing it should always be because it does something that you can't do the other way. It's not like, oh, I can buy coffee with US dollars. I'm also going to buy it with Bitcoin. Fine. Like no hate there, but it's just the place where it really shines is like, wow, I wanted to send a payment to a 15-year-old in India, and that was not really possible before because you can't have a bank account or something. I think that's where these tools really shine. So instead of telling people, hey, go build stuff on Nostr, just build whatever you want. And if it turns out Nostr can help solve your problems better, we're going to be there ready to recommend it. But like, I'm agnostic. I don't care if Nostr fails if it's not useful. I want it to win if it's useful.
I agree, but I would then issue a specific challenge for people more capable than I am at this point. One experiment I would love to see, and maybe this will be you, DK, for your app of just playing the piano. Okay. We all agree that a global leaderboard and a leaderboard of your friends ranked by who did something with zaps or something like something of like who did a thing, who played the fastest, or who made the most progress, like ranked by zaps or ranked by payments, let's say, right? If someone can find a way, and I think this is what I love about Nick and the MDK team is like their whole thing, it's not about Bitcoin. It's just, hey, accept payments faster because you don't have, I mean, in theory, I'm still figuring this out, but in theory, all you have to do is just like point it towards the docs, get a secret, and you're done. There's no account login. There's no KYC. There's no, it's just like, it just works, right? That's the same with Nostr, because if I say, hey, try, and I would love to see you do this, try building 2 versions of an app. In one, to get your leaderboard, you need to use Facebook or Google or Apple.
Right.
In the other, use Nostr. Now, forget Nostr. You tell me which one actually was easy.
Or Discord. Actually, there's a good, so the way the Flint website works.
And that should be on, we should move that
Flint,
to Nostr too.
Flint's authentication right now is Discord. And we actually didn't discuss Nostr. So I think, Matt, you're listening. So we should talk about, you know,
dog food this.
Nostr. Why Nostr? Why not Nostr? We are using Discord as a community. There's still not a good community tool, as far as I know, on Nostr. So that would be one reason. If there were one, then, you know, so again, an idea for this community.
Recursive, baby, recursive.
Yep.
And if there is a super talented Vibecoder, you know, we could all put up, and here's another idea, pots. DK wants pot. Sorry, a pot. We could all like, imagine everyone could just fund this where it's like, listen, you know, and I'm going to guess the answer for why we're using Discord today is because 1, the Nostr alternative doesn't exist. And 2, that's not true that doesn't exist. I think HODLbot has a version, whatever, but it's probably just not as like good or feature rich or whatever as like the company that's raised hundreds of millions or billions of dollars, which of course makes sense. But like, imagine, I mean, dude, this is so cool for like starting businesses. This is going to be incredible. Where it's like Kickstarter for everything. You can just pre-fund it. It's like, listen, we really want to move Flint onto Discord. It's not good enough. So I'll kick in on, you know, 1,000 sats. You kick in 1,000. All of a sudden, wait a second, there's a giant ass bounty. Now, then you have to figure out verifiability, like who's going to like, whatever. There has to be some judging criteria, whatever. But like, that's huge.
I'll donate 10,000 Bitcoin to Max. To Max to get him started with his Replit, with his paid Replit.
I'm definitely not building the Discord thing. Like I will take your 10,000 Bitcoin for my first app. I will get this damn meme generator up and running. That seems like sufficiently complex and good for where I'm at.
That's a great starting point. Yeah.
We need someone of your skill level and maybe someone listening that like, but seriously, like why don't we have a good Discord?
Well, I think
Matt is saying Flotilla.
Flotilla? Is that the name of the Discord one? Like the Nostr?
Cool. Okay, but
I haven't tried it lately. I don't know.
I want to make one other meta comment, and I have to say, you know, Matt Belez, if you got that the website going, it looks beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Like really, I'm impressed. My honest assessment of Nostr and Bitcoin is there's the technical and the hacky stuff, but like I think 90% of our problems is it's just for autists by autists, and like we just need designers. We need designers. That's it. Like, I'm serious. Like, I mean, yeah, you need some technical stuff, whatever. But like, and maybe this is something interesting to get the Bitcoin design community more involved with Flint, because literally all we need is people with taste and patience. Because if like, I bet Flotilla, I haven't used it yet, but I bet it's like jank. I bet it's beautiful. I mean, I bet it's a beautiful idea, but I bet it's jank.
But one thing I'd say, and well, first of all, love to designers, and we want more designers involved in Bitcoin. But I would also say with AI tools, you don't have to be, or we can, you mentioned taste. And Matt, I mean, like Vibecoders talk about taste,
right?
And you don't have to be a professional designer background to have taste.
Yes.
So I think that's what's important. And now if you have taste and you combine that with these tools, you don't have to be a professional designer to yield a nice result.